morning, children. Repair Tech Adventures update. So, got a series of lights in front of us. This one was thankfully making rattling noises, but now it's not. So see that? That was going all and stuff, and now it's not. Sounds somewhat smooth, sweet, and all thanks to Super Lube. Woohoo, Super Lube. Thank you, Super Lube. Anyway, take this to some dynamic fucking demos. Doop-a-doo. Go here. Oops, wrong way. Where the fuck? Hold on. There we are, demo. Perfect. We gotta strike that lamp. Lamp on. Now demo. Play dynamic demo. Cool.